Hello, dear friend. There is a news about Affinity Suite, the best graphic designing software, the only one software which we could afford, which is the only sole competitor of Adobe Suite. But no, I am hearing there are some rumors that Affinity Suite is going to be subscription model just like Adobe Suite. The software will be very costly, dear friend. I have not just heard, but I have checked on the website of Affinity Suite. There is no any link to purchase the software, no, and you can't write on the forum. The forum has also been just removed from the website, dear friend. So there is a speculation that Affinity Suite will be very soon subscription model. We have to pay monthly subscription. If you have purchased the software, then you can use. I have also purchased this software 6 months ago, and now I think I can use, but I don't know when this software will stop working, dear friend. So I am also very much worried about you. So let's jump into our computer to research what will happen next, dear friend. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorials for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to check the website and all the forums, Reddit, etc. What will be happening next year, friend? I don't know. Before 31st October, there will be something major change on the platform of Affinity Suite here. Hello, dear friend. Now we are on the website of Affinity Suite. You can see here Affinity photo here. We have, when you open the software, you can see we have no link to purchase. Someday ago when I was checking, we had link to purchase on the website here. You know, Affinity Suite is the one-time purchase perpetual license. Means you one time you purchase the software, you can use this software whole life. 6 months ago on the Black Friday, I bought this software something for 81, 82, I don't remember, USD. So it was great deal for me, dear friend. So you can see now when you open the software, you go to desktop here icon, click here desktop icon, you see we have no option to purchase the link here. A software here, tech support, here IP version is available. So you can see we have no link to purchase the software here. You see they have removed the link to purchase the software, one time purchase. So I am very much worried about that. Canva has acquired this software in 2024. Now they have planned to change this software into subscription model, dear friend. When you open software, you will come here and you will find this only. Creative freedom is coming. Sign up to be the first to know. True creative freedom is just around the corner, October 30. So I don't know what will happen before October 30. So see the first, if you want to see the first news here, just click here, and you just sign in your email address. I have signed in name, email address, and just here click, and you have to wait till 30th of October. So I got this new information about, come here to our mail here. Creative freedom is coming. See it first, October 30th. You can sign in and they will show you what the plan will be about. Let's discuss in detail what plan may be, and read some of our on the Reddit forums. Anytime check here. So dear friend, we are in the chaotic situation. When we come to Affinity online help, you have just link here. You see Affinity photo, no link for purchase the software. When you click here, just Affinity designer get answer here everything, but we have no link here to purchase the software, dear friend. So I have Affinity photo designer. You can see here I have Affinity photo designer and this Affinity publisher. Some days ago we just updated Affinity photo designer to 2.6.4 version here. So I don't think no, the new version of Affinity Suite V3 will come out. If the V3 is released, it will be released with some subscription model, and maybe they will add some AI tools, generative AI like Wondershare software like Filmora etc, and you have to buy some tokens for AI to use some things. Maybe the scenario is not clear what will happen next. Here you can see, so we have gone through the software here. When we come to we have no forum. No, they have removed the forum. Only we have this. This is the only Discord here. In Discord, you can join and you can write everything. But this is not the things like forum. There we used to write something, complain, and they used to solve our problem, reply. Now we have purchased Affinity Suite. We have the whole license, but I don't know how long it will work. After some years, the Affinity Suite perpetual license will stop working, dear friend. Now we just come here. You can sign in here to their Discord here, dear friend. Now we come to Reddit. In Reddit, I wrote in the night, dear friend. Here you see Affinity, a graphic editing software company, has pulled the ability to purchase its software temporarily. So I have already showed you on the software. We can't buy the software now. So you can see, just we start writing. I feel a great disturbance in the force, as if dozens of voices suddenly cried out in terror and were suddenly silenced. We don't know what will happen now. Not Affinity for duck's sakes. I really hope it's just us thinking the worst, but the fact that they also shut down the official forums says a lot. So there was a decade of software and design support in there. So several years we wrote there, and that forum was accidentally removed. All of sudden removed without any notice. That's why I am very much worried. I am anxious about the future of Affinity Suite, dear friend. I knew the Canva acquisition would be bad, and again, until they say some things, I will keep my fingers crossed. But I have the awful feeling I will have to abandon yet another software and company I loved, which I already started to love less as soon as they decided to sell. If they become yet another disappointment, I will just permanently move to GIMP and Inkspace, no matter how behind they are in features, because at least I will know they won't let me down like this. Might sound dramatic, but I have been with Affinity from the beginning. I purchased their software on multiple platforms and had many friends switch over. So I really hope this doesn't end badly. So I hope this may not end in badly, dear friend. Maybe they will add generative AI support, and only that generative AI will be subscription model. Otherwise, if the whole software will be subscription model, it will be the disappointing for us. You see here, someone wrote, hey, these apps are still available for purchase, just FYI. Now you can see Affinity was never competing with Canva though. Like Adobe, the goal in buying the competition is to destroy the competition. So you can read. And now if you want open source software, GIMP is not the real alternative of Adobe Suite, only Affinity Photo is. So you can type GIMP here on the website. Come here. This is the website of GIMP. You can download the software. Or if you like open source, and Inkscape is still good software, because Inkspace has most of features. Even some features are better than Affinity Designer, like vectorizing a photo, pixels, image tracing. So this is very capable software, Inkscape. So you can use. For Affinity Publisher, just type Scribus. There are less features, but these are good, dear friend. Here you can see Scribus. You can download Scribus from here, SourceForge Direct. So we have only these three good options as an open source software if you want, because we have purchased the Affinity Suite share, but I don't know when they will stop working. So you can see, I just click here, Affinity Publisher. No, this is a 2.6.3 version we have. If you have not updated, update the software, dear friends. Some day ago there was update. So I updated Affinity Photo Designer. No, I just update this because I don't know what will happen tomorrow. Maybe this update not available for Affinity Publisher. Just install here. Now I am installing Affinity Publisher because I have purchased this software with perpetual license. So I will use this how long it will work, because with the comparison to these open source software, still there are several features in Affinity Suites which are not compatible with open source software. Only these features are available in Adobe Suites. And Adobe Suites is very costly for us. We accept that Adobe Suite is better than Affinity Suite, but Affinity Suite was the only competitor with perpetual license. So I have just updated Affinity Publisher here. now we have updated version create here. You can go to our playlist, and if you want to learn about Affinity Suites, dear friend, so I pray the God not to be subscription model for Affinity Suites, dear friend. Check here update. Now we have this current version here, so update this is maybe the last update for model with perpetual license, dear friend. So I have still the software because I have purchased with perpetual license, but in some year they will stop giving support to us, then software will automatically stop working and they will misbehave with our computer. You can read here, instead of continuing to build actually viable computer to Illustrator and InDesign for actual professional use, they will add AI. Lol, maybe they will add AI. I would very much love for real computer to exist, although nothing can replace CC in my workflow. When they got bought by Canvas, the writing on the wall was there. So you can read here. I have also replied here. You can see this is my account on Reddit. I just bought it last month because it's a subscription free. I wrote here, you can use the whole life, but you will not get new features. So you can use this software whole life, but you will not get new features. If the Affinity Suite doesn't become a subscription model software, only generic AI will be added with the monthly subscription, then it's okay. When I need AI generic features, I will buy the AI generic. Otherwise, most of time I don't need these AI features. I need only AI features to remove the background of our photo, and this is already available in Affinity Photo Designer and all the Affinity Suites here. Yes, no, I just click here because you see I use only Affinity Suite to design my YouTube thumbnail. So you can see here I have this object selection tool. This is the AI feature already available here in Affinity Suite. So we will have access to these AI feature always, dear friends. So don't worry about that. If you have software, use, but wait till the 30th of October. You see here they are telling us, here you see here they are telling us creative freedom is coming. So you see October 30th. So wait till October 30th, dear friend, and you can start exploring about this open source software, about this GIMP here, Inkscape, and Scribus here. So you can read here on Reddit. I think because they have removed the forums and there is no ability to purchase the software on here. You can see it means there is something big happening before 30th of October. Maybe this software will be subscription model, or maybe they will add some new features, and maybe they will purchase the software on discount for those permanent customer like me after adding some new features here. Maybe V3 version will be released. In the most of case, I don't take this so positively. Maybe the software will be very costly. They will add some generative AI and it will be very costly to afford for us. So I am in a speculation, in too much worried about the futures. Just I can't understand what's happening, dear friend. So you can read one by one here, and you can see here some I really like Affinity have lifetime license for slightly older version, but I doesn't what I need. Most comment were here they were gonna announce a subscription model, which I also think is most likely, but I think there is a chance they might be getting ready to announce some big jump to AI tools and plugins that will be equally awful. Either way, it doesn't look good for sure. So I also think so. I wish open source was better for raster solution. Inkscape to me is a very good replacement for Illustrator, but GIMP just doesn't cut it. Yes, GIMP is just very far behind Affinity Photo. We need a better GIMP. So dear friend, this is the speculation about Affinity Suites. This is the information. Join here on their website. Write here your email, name, everything, and show me first. Just click and they will inform you what will happen. So we will wait for the information. I will update you, dear friend. You can join our software update, and if you want to learn video editing software, graphic designing, join our YouTube channel, dear friend. Go to the playlist and see. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Share this news to those friends who are still unknown about these changes in Affinity Suites policy, dear friend. We meet in the next class with some new tutorials and some new video, dear friend. Take care. Bye.